Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman, Excel 2019, Module 6, SAM Project 1B assignment. This is the assignment of financial accounting. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Creating and filtering tables. Format the August article's data into a table named Org Articles. Filter articles with a payment amount greater than or equal to $500. Step 2. Inserting new data and sorting. Add a new row to the current articles table for a proposed article. Sort the current articles table by payment amount in descending order. Step 3. Advanced filtering and data display. Filter and list published articles in a new range. Filter articles that have not been published yet.
Step 4. Identifying duplicates. Clear filters from the proposed articles table. Apply conditional formatting to identify duplicate records. Delete duplicate records. Step 5. Adding calculations and visual aids. Add a column to identify articles requiring additional illustrations. Apply conditional formatting to highlight articles based on word count and payment amount. Use data bars to visually compare payment amounts. Step 6. Calculations and summary tables. Calculate counts, totals, and averages for proposed articles by type and payment. Insert a summary table for proposed and published articles from September 2020. Step 7. Sorting and subtotaling data. Sort August advertising data by article type and publication date. Convert the table to a range and insert subtotals for each article type. Include a summary below the data.
Step 8. Lookup functions and further analysis. Use VLOOKUP to find article titles based on ID. Use index and match to identify publication dates efficiently. Calculate the number of articles with ad amounts over $500 and the average ad amount for analysis articles using dcount and davarage functions. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 73096555268 or log in to our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.